Hey guys, most of the glitches on Final Reich have been patched, including the one where you got up into the pub and it allowed you to, duplicate treasure zombies over and over again, and it made it really easy to collect all the parts that you need to unlock this hidden hunter character. Since the pub has been patched, we wanted to go in and see if there were any other working glitches that would allow us to, duplicate the treasure zombies like we could before. We did find something that does work, but they did patch the unlimited spawning of the treasure zombies. So even if you have several on the map, they're not going to start duplicating like they did before. So this is going to be a lot like the method that I posted for the Darkest Shore, where you just, get in a glitch and let it run overnight, and when you wake up you should have like maybe 10 to 15 treasure zombies. You have to collect 5 parts from the treasure zombies on Final Reich to unlock the outfit, and that can take a really long time, and you may have to kill like 20 to 30 of these treasure zombies before you get all the parts. The way you trigger the treasure zombies to start spawning in on this map is you have to open the morgue and the lab and turn both of those powers on, and then you have to go and open the salt mine door. As soon as you open the salt mine door, that is going to start the timer and trigger the treasure zombies to start spawning in. You could have one spawn in pretty immediate, or you may have to wait 30 minutes to an hour to get the first one. The glitch that you're going to want to do to set up for this is in the pack-a-punch room. So you want to go prone near this saw trap trigger and, slide up to the corner of that rock. If you cannot stand up, then you are in the right position. This is a 2-player glitch, so have one player down themselves whenever they're in the right position, and have another player stand right here, right directly, diagonal behind them, and then they can revive them, and once they do, they should fall underneath the map. The next thing you have to do is have this player that's on top of the map down themselves so that they are spectating the person that's underneath the map, and this is where you're just gonna have to sit and wait and hold zombies. The person on top of the map doesn't have to down themselves, but if you're trying to do like an overnight method and just have a bunch of treasure zombies that you can just run in and kill, yeah, you don't want to be on top of the map. If you're on top of the map, they will see you and they will die after a certain amount of time. But with this method, all the treasure zombies are going to collect on top of the map and run around infinitely. In this game, it took about 3 hours to get 3 treasure zombies in, so it's looking a lot like the same time intervals that it is on the Darkest Shore. Once you feel like you've got enough treasure zombies on top of the map, you want to kill the last zombie, spawn in that player, and let them go and try to kill all of them. This player needs to have guns ready to go that are really powerful to help kill all of them before they die off. So definitely have your strategy, set up for that. Maybe frontline, maybe some hearts to help you keep going with that. I know one loadout that I like a lot is frontline with fast hands and vicious, and then use the throwing knives. I haven't gotten to try that with the treasure zombies yet, but it might be pretty powerful. Also, this under the map glitch is not very good for high grounds. The zombies just are a mess to try to deal with, so the only thing that we found useful for it is just this treasure zombie method. And a big shout out to Jay Stone and his crew for figuring out how to get underneath the map. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.